Today we're down at the Eastern Creek Quarter Factory Outlet. It's near Eastern Creek Raceway and the Sydney Zoo out here in Western Sydney. We'll show you around the inside.
I think this is an extra part of it. The outlet is over there.
Yeah, you got your Woolworths supermarket there.
Yeah, so you can do your shopping as well. That's pretty good. So we've never been here before. It's very similar to the one that we go to in Home Wash, the DFO. But we've come out here today to do some shopping for our upcoming cruise.
Yes,
so hopefully we'll find what we're looking for.
Looking forward to going on the cruise and showing you guys a ship we've never been on before, the Carnival Adventure, which is previously P&A Adventure.
Which I used to work for.
Yes, she used to work, Ange used to work for P&A.
These are convenient because places like these you get lost. I'm looking for City Chic, so I put it in and it's telling me I was going to go straight ahead.
It is straight ahead.
Well, straight ahead and turn. I didn't know where
you got that. You got the man information there too.
Okay, let's go that way. And there's stickers.
Yes. A lot of stores around here.
Bond's Outlet, always handy.
Another one of Ange's favourite stores.
Yeah, I swear I forgot which way.
When you get lost in here, it's so big, you come back to here and find your way again.
Everything Calvin Klein, it's got, yeah, for everybody's taste.
It's got a lot of outlets. We've come to City Chic or City Chic, whichever way they pronounce it. We're Ange to do some shopping for the upcoming cruise. How's it going?
I like that.
Oh, yeah, that is nice, yeah. Yeah, really nice. No, I don't like it.
It's too summery.
Yeah, possibly, yeah. So many choices. It's like a buffet, a dress buffet.
Just got a tail. Remember the dress at our engagement? Nah.
Decisions. You can see out here, it says there's a play area. We'll go suss that out now. There's dining and iPlay. It's like an interactive arcade. More dining out here. Lots of options. Quite a nice place. A lot of food options. Pity it's a rainy day. Still walking around the outlet. This Country Road outlet, the Puma outlet, Mountain Warehouse. This is like a Anaconda Kathmandu type store. Ski gear, got outdoor gear, camping gear over there in the corner. Asics, my favourite shoes. I don't know what 2XU is. A sports type store, sports gear I'd say. Or the Mountain Warehouse. Manchester. Shaver shop, they're all here. Brooks. Sketcher store again. So quite an extensive range of shops in this factory outlet store, and food and a place for the kids to play. Oh well, that's it for ECQ Outlet. Remember to like and subscribe, leave a comment, and we'll see you in our next video.